I'm feeling, feeling. We fucking hit TP on a on a beautiful trade, yeah. Uh, yeah, a beautiful trade, yeah. Check this shit out. It's beautiful. Gonna show you this fucking motherfucking trade. Gotta make my screen a little bigger so you can see this beautiful trade. I hate motherfucking don't fuck with me. I just get the perk and I get it for fucking free. That was not a good bar. Anyway, let's get into this trade. We saw multiple confluences today. That's why we hit TP. And when we were in TP, I did everything right. Move stops, break even, hit my break even level. Everything was done very well. Anyway, let's get into this. So, market opened here. Where the freak did market open? 9:30 right here. All right, market opens. Ugh. Market opens and we immediately sweep London lows, or we pre-market swept London lows, as you can see here, and then continue to sweep it. Went up a little bit, and I was like, okay, we might be going long today. Then it tapped into this 3-minute fair value gap. So I was like, okay, I need to wait. I need to wait for an inverse or something to show me that we were going to go long. Price came back down into equilibrium. That's another confluence. I was like, okay, this is good. This could be another it could be good for longs. Went up. There was an inverse of this 3-minute fair value gap. After that inverse, we saw the inverse of the main fair value gap that I was looking for, and a breakage structure above these highs. And when I saw that, I was like, boom, we're going in equilibrium, breakage structure, inverse fair value gaps, sweeping of liquidity of London lows. Basically just set a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio long here. Take profits. The first take profit was at this previous London high. That was also our break even level. So we hit that, put stops to break even, made about $120, which is great. A little over 1% on the day for that. And then on the next bit, I just let it ride. Um, I just kept letting it go. I wanted to see it really push up high, but like there's no reason price should be this high right now. There's nothing like I don't think there's and oh whoa, I didn't even notice. Holy shit. Oh, I might have just missed a big opportunity. Okay, maybe we'll do another trade. I don't know. It's kind of getting later. Um, might have to see a continuation trade here. Anyway, yeah, the reason I exited here is because you'll see on this candle we closed below this candle. So I was like, okay, there's a potential for a downside here. And wow, look at that. It looks like we might be um going back down. See, my bias for the day was bearish because we're currently within this 4-hour massive fair value gap right here. Like price was here in this fair value gap. So I was like, we're going lower today. Um, but that got invalidated. I just saw every confluence telling me that we're going long, and that's what we did, and we freaking did. Oh my god, dude, this is like I need to like clean this shit up. This is fucking like this is horrible to look at. Yesterday we did not place a trade. We were going to place a trade and we would have gotten stopped out at break even, but paper trading on TradeView decided no. So, um, yeah, I was thinking about exiting here on the last unit. Um, but I was wanting if I was going to exit the full position if we had broken past this midline, but we never closed below it. We respected the midline. So I decided to stay in and it ripped all the way up. Um, Went to our original take profit of it. I was like, oh, might still keep going up. And then this candle started going down. This candle, I really wish that this candle didn't go so far down. I would have exited a little bit closer to our original take profit, but that is okay. As you can see here, it almost looks as though it's going back down. So, yeah, really good trade today. Really, really good trade today. What would I say to do better? Dude, I don't know. I mean, we did everything right today. Like from everything from the psychology or okay, that's what we could do better. This morning I I was at my partner's house, had to come over here, and I misplaced my glasses. As you can see, I'm not wearing glasses right now, and I still don't know where they am. There they are, and that really freaking pissed me off, man. Oh my God, that crap pissed me off. Um, and that car probably fricked with my psych. I was rushing. I was, looking for the glasses, couldn't find them, and that shit was pissing me off. So, um, do better next time. Stay calm in the morning, man. I mean, it's in the morning is one of the hardest times to stay calm and stay in a good mood because you're hungry, you're tired, or I guess you're not maybe tired. I'm tired when I wake up because I can't breathe out of my freaking nose, and that freaks with my circadian rhythm. So it's like when you wake up and you're tired and you're hungry and you're like in a bad mood and then something happens to tick you off, like stay calm, man. It's gonna be all right. Like we got work to do. We got to stay calm, cool, collected. Like the trade is more important than your glasses. It's more important than it's the number one, like you got to be calm, cool, collected, and clear when you're trading. And I guess I was that. I took a shower right before market open, and that really helped me clear my mind. So I guess what to do better next time. Stay calm in the morning. How to maintain the ability to go from a bad mood to a good mood because you're not human. You're not going to be happy go lucky every single morning. Do something to calm yourself. Take a shower, read a book, eat some food, drink some coffee. Um, yeah, that's what I gotta say. I really there's nothing bad that we did on technical analysis today. I really think that today's technical analysis was very good. It was, we saw a ton of confluences that told us that price was going to go bullish, and we caught this really nice leg up. Um, I think that like even saying like you could have entered earlier off of, I don't know, this break of structure is wrong because we have fair value gaps that still needed to be inverse. We had this major break of structure here that we needed to wait for. If we had entered here, we would have ended up getting profit, but we would have only had a liquidity sweep and equilibrium play to go off of. There was no break of structure. Well, I guess there was break of structure here and here, but like, that's not really, yeah. And plus, there's all this low resistance liquidity here, and there's also Asian lows that we still haven't taken out. Maybe price is going to start um, going towards those. Who knows? Yeah, no, great trade today. Really good trade today. That's all I gotta say. Yeah, yesterday was a break-even trade. Here, I'll show you the trading journal. So yeah, yesterday basically break even. Today we're up almost almost 300. Looks like 233. So not almost 200, but we're almost at that $1,000 goal. And I think, there's still 2 more days left to trade in this week. Let's check Forex. Do it, but belong. Belong. Ooh, we have unemployment claims at 8:30. Well, that's okay. Maybe we could play up data highs because honestly, like it's a red folder, but like PPI and CPI are what I really consider to be super high impact news, like days that you should stay away from. Like get on the charts every day, even bad news days, but on CPI, PPI, just stay away from it, man. Just up your freaking God, words, up your probability. Yeah, up your probability of trading, up your risk. I'm gonna stop talking. Just don't trade on CPI or PPI, okay? Um, yeah, that's all I gotta say, man. I don't think I'm gonna take another trade today. I think it's almost 11 o'clock. Um, price might start accumulating now. We've had this massive leg up. But who knows? Only time will tell. So yeah, that's all I really got to say, guys. Peace out on the hizza. I will see y'all tomorrow. Definitely gonna be on the charts tomorrow. But we'll see if we take a trade. You should always go into a trading day with the mentality of I'm probably not going to take a trade. Price, tell me why it would be stupid not to. And today that we had that, we had so many confluences telling us bullish price movement. So stay good for today. Gonna hit it again tomorrow. Gonna keep the momentum. Gonna keep taking action. And that's about it, guys. I will see y'all tomorrow.